So this is the last part of the matrix, so we'll just be solving general now. So this is inverse of a matrix. So if I say inverse of A, inverse of A is adjoint of A divided by determinants of A. So anytime question asks us to find inverse is adjoint over determinants. So that is inverse. Inverse is adjoint over determinant. Now let's say example. So let's say example now. Find the inverse. Find the inverse of A if A 2 1 3 4. Find the inverse of A if A is this. Now what do we say inverse is? Inverse is adjoint of A over determinants of A. So that means first find the adjoints of this question. So you know how we find adjoints. Before we find adjoints, we first know cofactor of A. So what's cofactor of A? You are switching the numbers. That is 4 will go to 2, 2 will come to 4. And don't forget your sign, plus, minus, minus, plus. So that means this will be 4, 2, minus 3, minus 1. So this is cofactor. So now adjoints of A. So what is adjoint of A? You transpose the cofactor. Row will change to column. Row will change to column. We've done all this. So this is adjoints of A. Now find the determinants of A. Remember A is 2, 3, 1, 4. So what is the determinants? Determinant of A. We say this times this, that will be 8 minus this times this, that will be 3. 8 minus 3, 5. Now inverse of A, we write inverse as A raised to power minus 1 will now be equals to adjoint over determinants. So what is the adjoints? You already know. So that means determinants. So adjoints, let me write it first. That will be 4 minus 1 minus 3 2 over determinants over 5. So which we can rewrite as 1 over 5 into 4 minus 1 minus 3 2. Answer. Or in another option, you may see it as each number divided by 5. As in this is another way you can represent it. Each numbers divided by 5. So another way. So anyhow you leave it, it depends on your option. Again, to find inverse, you do adjoint over determinant. So the adjoints, you first find cofactor, you transpose the cofactor, find the determinant. The adjoint over determinant is inverse. So now let's see another question. If A, now let me use different alphabet. If M is equals to minus 1, 2, 3 minus 4. So let me put minus here. Find M inverse. Now to find M inverse, first thing, so you are going to find cofactor of M. So to find inverse, you find cofactor of M. What's cofactor? Switch the numbers. So this place will be minus 4, minus 1. So that will be minus 3 plus 2. Because remember we are moving minus 2 to this place. So I've already assigned the sign. Plus, minus, minus, plus. So if minus 2 is coming to minus, minus times minus will be plus. So that is how we are doing this one normal. So plus minus, minus plus. So remember now, cofactor of m is now switch this number and switch that one also. So now this is cofactor. Then adjuncts of m. Adjunct is transpose of cofactor. So this will be minus 4, minus 3, 2, minus 1. So now determinants of m. So determinant of m, remember m equals to minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4. So determinants, this times this, minus this times this. So that will be 4 minus minus 6. 4 times minus plus, this times this minus that times that. So that will be 4 plus 6, which is 10. Then inverse of m, adjuncts over determinants. So adjuncts minus 4, 2, minus 3, minus 1. And if you like, can divide everything by 10. So if it is that you divide everything by 10, this will be minus 2 over 5, 1 over 5, minus 3 over 10, minus 1 over 10. Anyhow they leave their option. So that is the answer. So this is inverse of them.